Momento's M6 dual dash cam is the latest in dash cam technology. Featuring 2 full HD cameras in both the front and rear of your vehicle, it provides crystal clear video of your surroundings, whether you're driving or parked. When in parking mode, the M6's motion sensors are activated and will begin filming as soon as the device detects motion. It's a great feature to capture events such as door dings, hit and runs, or break-ins that occur when your vehicle is left unattended. Driving mode continuously records everything that occurs both in the front and rear of your vehicle while driving. Because the unit is equipped with a Sony Exmor-R image sensor with Starvis, you can be sure that you'll have crystal clear image no matter the light conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to wirelessly connect your smartphone to the dashcam to easily access video footage through the Momento app. In addition to videos, the app also provides you with driving insights such as speed, location, and trip data. Come on into your local car toys to see what the Momento M6 has to offer. Our product professionals and expert installers are happy to help you with all of your vehicle electronic needs.
Car toys, a